Now, is it just me, or has that Popeye's chicken been falling off lately? I mean, look how small this leg is. So I decided to make my own Popeye's chicken. Juicy, crispy, and bussin'. For the wet mix, you need 2 eggs, a little bit of hot sauce, and some cold water. Mix that all up and set it to the side. For the dry mix, you're gonna need a couple cups of flour, a little bit of baking powder, and then you don't need 11 different seasonings to make fried chicken, y'all. See what happens? All you need is that Dirty Bird rub. 13 herbs and spices all in one bottle. Get it from UncleDibs.com. Throw that in your flour, give it a mix. First, throw your chicken in that dry mix, then throw it in the wet mix, and then back in the dry mix. Now, when you throw it back in the dry mix, make sure you press all of that flour directly into that chicken, give it a nice shake, and let it rest on a wire rack. Repeat this process for the rest of your chicken pieces, and I guarantee you the juiciest, crispiest fried chicken you've ever made in your life. After your chicken is all dressed up, let it sit for about 10 minutes so that flour adheres to that chicken. In the meantime, heat your oil to about 345 to 350. Once your oil gets to temp, place your chicken in that pot. The temperature of the oil is going to drop once you place the chicken in the oil. So make sure you keep it between 300 and 325 so you get a nice golden color just like this. Now look, you be the judge. Which one you going with? Popeyes or Uncle Dibs? Let me know in the comments. And oh yeah, don't forget the hot sauce. Full recipe available at UncleDibs.com. That's good, shorty.